जय श्रीमन्नारायण 344th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम। ओम अनुकूलाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that even after having so much of effulgence and supremacy with you, you are always obedient and friendly to all your devotees. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Anukulaya Namaha. Om Anukulaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is entering into Ayodhya. How is that Ayodhya now? Ayodhya is like a place where all the plates and glasses are broken and there is no water in the water place. Usually people gives water in the summer to all the people, making it as a place where water is available. But such place, if there is no water and all the pots and glasses are broke, as and how that looks, the Ayodhya is also looking like that. Into such Ayodhya now Bharata is entering. As and how in the battlefield, if the bow and arrows all are broke down and with the attack of the enemies, as and how the bow broke and pieces into pieces and fell on the floor in the battlefield, as and how that looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Bhumau banaihi vinishkrutam patitam jyami vayudhavat. That kind of Ayodhya now Bharata is entering into. As and how if the horse is not useful, horse cannot be used at all as a chariot or as a vehicle or as a vehicle in the battlefield. So also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Sushkatoyam. As and how if there is no water, all the water is dried in the well. As and how that looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Sokena Gatrayashtim Abhushanam. If someone cries for so long, crying and gets so much depressed and weak, as and how that person looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into. When there is a rainy season, even in the mid-noon, even after sun reaches to the center of the sky, but sun rays are not coming down to the earth because the cloud is covering all the rays of sun. So also like that, as and how the covered rays and as and how the sun is not seen, the cloud is covering sun, so also this Ayodhya looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Now Bharata is saying to Saradhi Sumantra, "Oh Saradhi, what happened to all the auspicious sounds in our Ayodhya? Why I am not listening to those auspicious sounds in our Ayodhya? Oh Saradhi, why there are no fragrances coming to my nose? Why in our Ayodhya there is nobody is wearing any kind of garlands or any kind of fragranceful flowers or any kind of perfumes? Why I am not getting that kind of perfume smell? Oh Saradhi, what happened to our Ayodhya?" O Saradhi, I don't see any kind of agarbatti smoke and the perfume smoke anywhere in our Ayodhya. Yana pravara ghoshascha. What happened to the sound when all the vehicles are going here and there? Where is that sound in our Ayodhya? O Saradhi, snigdhascha hayanisvanaha. When horses are running here and there, what happened to that kind of sound in our Ayodhya? I don't hear that kind of sound anymore, Saradhi. O Saradhi, what happened to the sound coming from all the elephants which are going here and there in our Ayodhya? I don't see that, I don't hear that kind of sound anymore in our Ayodhya. O Saradhi, na idanim shruyate Rame vivasite. Because Rama left Ayodhya, Ayodhya completely got paused. O Saradhi, gatehi Rame. After Rama left, people stopped decorating themselves. People stopped dressing up themselves. Even young children also stopped dressing them. O Saradhi, gatehi Rame. After Rama left Ayodhya, nobody wearing any kind of fragrances, any kind of flowers or any kind of ornaments. Gatehi Rame. O Saradhi, after Rama left, na utsavaha sampravartante. Nobody celebrating any kind of festival in this Ayodhya, it looks like. O Saradhi, Rama Sokardhite Prade. With Rama Sokam, with the grief that Rama left us, this Ayodhya is completely getting crushed and tortured with that kind of grief. I do see our Ayodhya like that. O Saradhi, Sahanunam Mama Bhratra. Because of my Rama, because Rama left Ayodhya, along with Rama, all the glow of Ayodhya is also gone. Along with Rama, all the greatness of Ayodhya is also gone. O Saradhi, Kadanu Khalume Bhrata Mahotsavaivagataha. When am I going to see Rama coming back with a great pomp and show into our Ayodhya, Saradhi? Like that, Bharata, while entering into Ayodhya, unable to see the state, the depressed state of Ayodhya, he is crying, he is sharing he is expressing his grief to his Saradhi Sumantra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 37th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asokaha Taranaha Taraha Suraha Saurihi Janeswaraha Anukulaha Setavartaha Padmi Padmanibhekshanaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Anukulaya Namaha. Om Anukulaya Namaha. Om Anukulaya Namaha.